Well, Dukirk, it's that time of year again, the Hawaii Bridal Expo, running tomorrow through Sunday. And with us this morning, Brad Buckles of Hawaii Bridal Expo, and from Princess Brides, Irene Nagahara. Good morning. Thanks for being with us, guys, and congratulations, 20 years.
It has been 20 years, 20 quick years.
Yeah, right. So we were just talking about a big giveaway coming up during this expo. Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, Irene here will be giving away a wedding dress, and many of the vendors at the Bridal Expo have come together to put together a giant wedding package for some lucky bride.
Some lucky bride is right. That's great. So 3 days, what can we expect over the 3 days?
Oh boy, we've got everything. I mean, literally everything that a bride could want and choose. It's almost the number one resource for brides in putting together their wedding planning. They can come down to Blaisdell, save time, save money, save gas, and it's usually unbelievable. Most brides and their mothers come up to us and say, "I had no idea." Well over 200 companies.
Great. All the resources at your fingertips every January and July, as you said. Irene, you brought some beautiful dresses today. Can we start with one of those?
First is Kelly. Kelly has on a lace organza. The vintage look is very popular.
Well, in the back is
The lace.
yeah, the lace up. That's
The
right.
process.
And while the next woman comes forward, are you seeing an increase because August the 808 of that? Really?
Yes.
Brad's nodding his head
I think
too.
all
Absolutely.
vendors are using it.
Really? Oh boy. Oh, this is gorgeous too.
This is 100% silk, very light. Like a modified mermaid. It's a little A-line on the bottom for ease of walking and sitting.
And they're all strapless, sleeveless. Is that
Yes.
particularly
That's
popular right now?
This is a vast pleated vast lace, taffeta fabric, that's a new fabric. Very light also compared to the satin.
It's gorgeous. It's kind of a princess Very nice. Thanks so much. And of course, there will be fashion shows at the Bridal Expo
Yes,
as
one
well.
each day. All the information about the fashion shows and the times are at bridesclub.com.
Okay, great. Do you carry different colors of bridal gowns as well?
Yes, they even offer
Oh,
wigs.
okay.
Black is the new black this year.
Black is the new black.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you both for being with us and for sharing those beautiful dresses. Bridal Expo is tomorrow through Sunday.
Yeah, all hours, times, and information is at bridesclub.com.
Bridesclub.com. All right, and it's at the Blaisdell. 7:28. We'll be back with more here.